Asian elephants, a pivotal species in the rainforest ecosystem, are under first-class national protection in China. They're mostly found across Yunnan. Near a village in Pu'er City, 8 Asian elephants walked out of the mountains and came to a cornfield to forage. August is the mature season for local crops such as rice and corn, which are both favorite foods for Asian elephants.
今年我也种了15亩，为大象吃了4亩到5亩。去年的布局标准1亩是600多，还是不到位啊。
In 2010, Yunnan became the first provincial-level region in China to introduce commercial insurance for the damage caused by wildlife, with the entire province coming under insurance coverage by 2014.
我们的补偿这个标准也在不断的提高，比如像稻谷的话，去年是810元一亩，上涨到今年的1538元一亩。玉米的话，由去年的690元一亩，上涨到今年的1017元一亩。其他的经济作物也同样的有上升。
To mitigate the potential impact of Asian elephant activities on local villagers, the local government has employed monitors to oversee and track the movements of the elephants.
我们每天6点半起床，到一定的位置找大象，把大象位置发到每个村的微信群上，通知这边这个村民别到老象活动区域。
While Asian elephants are experiencing a global decline in population, the situation has taken a positive turn in China. Thanks to protection efforts over the past decades, the population of the endangered species in China has grown from 150 in the 1980s to 360 at present.